touching on how you can import your inventory from an Excel file. This usually only happens when we are not integrated with an accounting software and our information and our inventory information has not flown through to the software. So let's go ahead and mass import our stock list. First, we would select inventory in the blue column all the way on the left-hand side. Then we would select the import button, select download template, and this template really shows us the structure that the file needs to be in for the system to generate the import successfully. The first column we have is code. This will be your item code that you would add. If you do not have an item code, you can leave it blank and the system will auto-generate a code for you. The description is exactly what that item is. So I'm going to say it's a car. The category will be the make of that car, and the subcategory would be the model of that car. So let's say Toyota would be my make, and my model of my subcategory would be Hilux. The description, the category, the subcategory, and the type are all required fields, meaning that if this field hasn't been filled in, the import will not be successful. It's important to note that the type must either be a part, a product, or a service. For example, this one I'm going to call a product. The rest of the information is totally optional. Without the information, the import will still be successful, but it's always nice to see how much we paid for an item, what we sell that item for, etc. So let's go ahead and say we have 2 Hiluxes on hand. The cost price we paid of 200,000, and the list price is what we charge the client for that item. The warranty period is serializable, bin location is active, and override code are all optional fields, and they are not required for the import to be successful. So once we have a list of all our stock items that we have on hand and all the services we offer clients, we can select menu, we can select save as a XLSX file and format, and select save. What this does, it saves it to our machine. We can jump back onto Surfcraft, select choose file, make sure we're still on the inventory import section, select the file we just created, and select import. Once that has been completed, you'll see a message to say import successfully uploaded for processing, and we can see the status of this import by going into settings in the top right, selecting imports, and now we can see our inventory template has been completed. Items 1, errors 0, checks 1, saves 1, the created date, who uploaded it, when it was last modified, and who modified it. What's nice about our imports is if there are any mistakes, you will get notified. So if I jump onto this import over here called Help Center, we can see there is an error. So if I download it, the second download icon, I can download the report, and then it will show me exactly what the error is. The type must either be a part, product, or service. So I can go back to my original file, edit it, make sure it's correct, and re-upload it. And that's it. See you in the next video.